Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Bumble. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble dating application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward by using your credentials, your phone number or your Facebook account. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the People option from which you can swipe left or right on various different profiles. Now, if you don't wish to use the Bumble application anymore, then tap on the profile option at the bottom left corner. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right. And now, from the settings page, scroll all the way down and you will see the delete account button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to delete your account. Just tap on any appropriate reason in order to confirm your decision. And once you confirm that you wish to delete your account, you will be logged out from your account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Just make sure not to log back in for another 3 weeks and your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the Bumble dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.